So in this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest and fastest way you can make millions of coins in FC Mobile, and I'm not talking about investments or anything like that. Making coins right now. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. So we've got a couple of ways to make coins right now. Of course, we're going to get a Team of the Year event very soon. So a lot of people want as many coins as possible just before Team of the Year. Obviously, there are main things that you need to do. For example, play the events like Winter Wildcards, National Whalers event, as well as go ahead and play challenge mode to get some rewards, and get some rewards in other ways as well, for example from quests and all that. But that's quite basic. You can go ahead and do that straight away right now, and you just need to go ahead and grind. Anyways, if you go into the market, one of the easiest ways you can make a lot of coins is go ahead and find silver cards and bronze cards and sell them if they are very expensive. Not only you need to go ahead and find them, you can go ahead and sell most of the silver cards, and you're going to be able to make a lot of coins. If you want to, you can go ahead and sell your 80, 81, 82 overall cards as well. And you're gonna be making some coins from them. But to be honest, I would go ahead and save some of those cards for Team of the Year. I think it's a little bit more worth it to save 80 plus overall cards. If they are more expensive, for example this Paulsen right there, and if you don't need them for the exchange, you can sell them. But those ones, for example, those ones, Wearsons and all that, who are worth 110,000 coins, I would save them for Team of the Year. Anyways, you can go ahead and find some of the 79 overall cards. For example, Harry Maguire right now, who is in my squad, who is worth 90,000 coins, and he's gonna sell straight away. Not only that, you're gonna have so many of these silver and bronze cards. Look at that. I've got these Bergs, for example. I can sell each of them for about 70,000 coins. I can sell all the other 79 overall cards for 55k. 50k right there for Dan Burn, and all the other 79 overall cards. And 79s are basically minimum 50,000 coins, right? But you can also find some 79, 78s and even lower overall cards that are worth a lot more than this amount, and you can go on and make even more coins from them. 78 overall Galvachi. I've got a lot of these Galvachi cards, for example, and he is worth 55,000 coins. I'm gonna make so much coins from these cards, for example, as well. This Bravex, 62,000 coins. Look at that. You're gonna be able to make a lot of coins with just selling these silver cards right there. If you go down, we're gonna find some of the cards that are worth more than what their ratings are as well. We're still at 79 overalls, but if you go down a little bit more, we can see all of these cards are selling for 50,000 coins, which is decent price for the silvers. And if you go ahead and sell a lot of them, you're gonna be making a lot of coins right now. If you go down, you'll see there's still about 40,000 coins. You're gonna find some of the players that are worth a lot more than what their price is. For example, this Parisi card right there, he's worth 100,000 coins. If I sell him, I'm gonna make 100,000 coins straight away. This Arda Güler card is 95,000 coins for 76, was it? 76 overall card, I think, which is obviously quite good. We're also gonna find some other cards. For example, let's go ahead and find out. These 77s are selling for about 37,000 coins and all that. You're gonna find some of the silver cards that are worth like 110,000 coins, 150k, 200k even. This Noppert, for example, look at that. He's worth 174,000 coins, and that's just easy coins right there, right? And if you go ahead and sell, for example, let's say 10 79 overall cards, or 10 silver players for 50,000 coins, that's already 500k straight away right there, and you're gonna be able to make a lot more by selling a lot more players, of course. For example, from only Noppert, I managed to make 170,000 coins. And there was also Adama Traore right there, and I think I had two Adama Traores. And yeah, there we go. He's worth 80,000 coins. I'm gonna be able to make easy 160,000 coins from these Adama Traore cards right there, which is obviously good as well. All the other ones though are still selling for about 36,000 coins. These 77 overall silver cards. So you can make so much coins from these silver cards right there. This card is even 59k. This card is right there, 60,000 coins right there, as you can see. So you can sell all of these cards and you can make a lot of coins. I want to just show you a couple more examples about the players that are worth more than what their ratings are. There we go. I mean, a little bit of an interesting name, but Cummings right there is 74,000 coins. Sunil Chetri is 80 to 90k. You can sell Mudryk for 70,000 coins. Hardsons for 66,000 coins. Yildiz for 63. You can see right there. you can sell some of these cards. Most of these 75s are actually like 50,000 coins, which is interesting. Some of them are 33 right there. And yeah, still, these are quite decent prices, right? 50,000 coins for Alcarazes, and that's a 74 overall card. And not only silvers, but you can go on and find some bronze cards that are worth more than what the prices are as well. There we go. There are some more 72 overall cards for about 40,000 coins, which is quite a decent price, of course. Or other ones are worth 20k, 15k, the 70 overalls and all that. Another one, 70 overall, that's worth 40,000 coins. You can make a lot of coins with that. And also, bronze cards are worth about 10 to 15,000 coins, but you can find some of them in your squad. Maybe they are worth like 50k, 70k and all that. This is a very easy way you can make some good amount of coins right now. If you sell 20 players for 50k each, that's already a million coins, right? Also, another way you can make a lot of coins is by purchasing some of the cards. For example, I went ahead and bought that 92 overall green ranked Zico version for 9.6 million coins. I went ahead and bought him for 9.6. I think you saw it, right? I did claim it, but I think you saw it in my orders as well. I went ahead and bought him for 9.6 million coins, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and rank him up with my Mascherano's. If you don't want to spend any of your Mascherano's or Dudeks, I guess you can go ahead and avoid this one. But if you go ahead and put Zico into my squad, you can go ahead and see when I rank him up. I can go ahead and rank him up with Mascherano cards, of course, and I went ahead and bought him for 9.6 million coins, right? But when I go ahead and rank him up from rank green, to rank blue, I'm gonna be able to sell him for 15.3 million coins right now, straight away, right? That's already 4 or 5 million coins guaranteed right there from Zico. You don't only need to do it with Zico, of course, you can go ahead and do it with any of the players you want, but I've just tried it with Zico. You can go ahead and do it with any player, even lower than 90 overall cards, just cause you can go ahead and find you can go ahead and rank those players up with Dudeks instead of Mascherano. So for example, if you go ahead and take a look at some of the 89 overall cards, you can go ahead and find, let me go ahead and find them. You can go and find some of the cards that you can rank up and make some coins with as well. Is this Alisson a decent option? Not really. This Alisson is not really a decent option, but it's a decent option if you want to spend some of the cards for him as well. If you go on and find this, buy this Alisson card for 3.6 million coins and rank him up to like rank purple, that's gonna make some coins, but it's not a lot. Obviously, it's not a lot. Let's go ahead and try it out with Balak. If you go ahead and buy him, you're gonna make some coins with that as well. And obviously, you need to find some of the cards as well. It's not pretty much straightforward as that. But you can go ahead and buy some of these cards and make quite a few coins with this as well. If you go ahead and rank some of these cards. Or also, what you can do is, if you don't need those 2 deck cards anymore, you can go ahead and buy this one, for example, red ranked Laurent Blanc for 12 million coins, and put 10 Dudek cards into it, and you're gonna be making some coins as well. Obviously, with Mascherano, you're gonna make more coins, but you're also gonna be able to make some coins with Dudeks as well if you want to go ahead and find perfect player for you. If you go and find perfect player that is gonna give you a lot of coins, that's definitely a decent idea as well. If you want to go ahead and buy, for example, this Ginola card for 2 million coins, and if you use two of your Dudeks, you can go ahead and sell this card for 4.5 mil, or if you use 4 of your Dudeks, you can go and sell them for 7 million coins right there. So from 2 million coins to 7 million coins by just using 4 Dudeks, and you probably don't need Dudeks either way right now, right? And you're gonna be able to get some good amount of coins with that as well. But that's gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.